This is Matthew from the Windows Club. If projecting to this PC option is grayed out on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Apps tab on the left-hand side. Select Optional Features in the right pane. Click on View Features corresponding to Add an optional feature. Search for Wireless Display in the search bar. Check the box associated with it. Click on Next. The option will start installing itself. Once installed, the problem will be fixed. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.